guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you just saw the video that I posted earlier this week, you'll know that I walked you through how to set up a pop-up form to collect emails and phone numbers so you can do both email and SMS marketing. Now what I want to show you is how to send an SMS through Klaviyo. So the first thing you're going to want to do is log into Klaviyo and click campaigns, and then you're going to click create campaign. After that, you can name your campaign whatever you want it to be. I'm just going to do 12/8/25 and maybe just SMS. And then you're going to select single channel, and then you're going to make sure the date is accurate, and you're going to click text message. Then you're going to click next, and this is where you're going to select the list. So we want to make sure we choose SMS list, and then we want to turn off the smart sending because we want it to go to everyone. We don't want to skip any profiles. And then I'm going to click turn on the tracking to include tracking parameters, so that way we can guarantee that Klaviyo is the one that's sending people to our website. Then I'll click next, and here is where you're actually going to do all of your text messaging stuff. So this is what I'm going to type in what I want my message to be in this box right here. So I'm just going to say our candles make the perfect gift. And then maybe something else like shop now and receive in time for Christmas. So whatever you want to be your text, that's what you're going to put inside this box. Then I'm going to want to make sure that I include the correct link. So I want to link my website. So just pull up your website, copy your domain, just make sure it's copied, and then you're going to go back to Klaviyo and paste your domain right there. You'll notice that automatically shortened links is selected, and you'll see these credits down here. These credits show you how many credits you're using, which is important in a second. And then if you unclick that button, you'll see if we remove the tracking, then this won't allow Shopify to track Klaviyo, so just leave that checked. You want to make sure that's there. Here you can select an image if you'd like. You don't necessarily have to. Sometimes it's really good to select an image, so just go through, upload an image if you'd like, and you'll notice that a lot of the images are red, so you want to make sure that the image is the correct file size. Otherwise, Klaviyo won't let you upload it. It might be too big for the SMS, which would then slow it down, or you might not have enough credits, things like that. So just make sure that your file size is the correct size. And you can choose any photo you want to add to this text message. So we've got tons already in here, but you can also upload a new image too. If you want, you can also select a product, and then you would just click add product. You would scroll through and select the product that you have added into your Klaviyo. Just make sure it's published. If it's not published, it's not going to work correctly, so you just want to make sure you select the right one. And if you just want it to be a text, if you don't want any image or product, just remove the attachment, and this is what it's going to look like when you send. Majority of the time, this is what I would suggest doing, and then click next. Here you're going to see the billing page. So this is just going to tell you the amount of credits that you're using on your plan for this particular text message, and then how many credits you have remaining. Down here, you're going to see a little warning that's just telling us that we turned off smart sending, but we already know that these are all good to go. So that's it. Our billing looks good. Now we can either schedule it or we can send it now. If you want to schedule it, just make sure you fill out that correct information. If you want to send it now, just click send now, which I do. So I'm going to click send now, and then I'm going to click next. After that, that's it. Texting from Klaviyo is as simple as that. Thank you for watching today's video. If you want to learn more about Shopify, different apps to use, email marketing, and just business things in general, then you know the drill. Please consider subscribing to my channel. And with that, I will see you in the next video.